After an assignment is due, what is the turnaround time on giving feedback or grade? I like to have a turnaround time of within 24 hours, but sometimes it ends up being within 48 hours. Also, in what format do you deliver the feedback? Feedback is sometimes delivered within their own document using track changes in MS Word. Other times, I just use the LMS comment text box attached to the assignment grade. I should also mention here that I do have the option of allowing the student to retry the assignment by clicking on a button in this particular grading window. If the student totally missed the mark, I ask them to contact me or their mentor for help and then redo the assignment. I am contacted only about 10% of the time, even though I practically beg for the chance to help them. I give them my cell phone, offer to Skype, email, whatever. How often do you log into the online environment to keep track of what is happening in the online learning community? I try to log in daily, if not every other day. I should also mention that if a student posts a question to me via the LMS, it arrives as a text to my cell phone, in addition to my email. What types of organizational techniques do you use when teaching an online class in order to make sure you stay on top of things? Well, I find the LMS confusing with how it is currently organized. For example, I have no way to delete past courses that are finished or ended up having zero enrollment. Also, if I offer 2 of the same courses for 2 different schools, then they have the same exact names, so I have no idea which course to click on, which course I have already updated with, say, an announcement, etc. I have asked for changes to be made in these areas over a month ago, but it hasn't happened. However, what is really nice about the LMS Brain Honey is that there is a dashboard when I log in on my home screen. This shows me what assignments need to be graded and lists students with questions, comments, or new posts. How do these compare to the organizational techniques you use in a traditional brick-and-mortar setting? It sure would be nice to have a dashboard for brick-and-mortar setting, but that isn't the case. Haha. In a brick-and-mortar setting, there is nobody telling me when and what I have to grade. Maybe the only thing similar is that I try to be timely in the grading of assignments in both instances. How long of a wait time do you allow between a student asking a question or posting an important comment, allowing students to help answer the question, and answering the question yourself? I try to answer those immediately because they are usually written directly to me. At the most they wait 24 hours, but that is rare. If the comment is made in a public area of the LMS, hasn't happened yet actually, I would wait longer to allow the students to help answer the question, and I would make sure they know this is my policy. When teaching students, how do you determine what you want to teach, and what content you want to put in the hands of students to help teach each other, as in our working groups? Since this is canned content, as explained above, the only thing I can do is add to the content. I can certainly change or add my own assessments as well as additional content like video clips or interactive learning objects to spice things up, since the canned content can be boring at times. The canned content is supposedly based on the Common Core standards, but like I said, there are many errors in the alignment of the course content to the assessments is not always great. The company had different people writing the assessments than they did the content.